This is a truck with no vinyls on it right now. This is our working truck. Yeah. No vinyls yet. We're just trying to get there. But we'll get there. Oh yeah, it's dirty right now. I gotta go wash it. Yeah, I gotta wash it. I got the ladder up top. That's a universal ladder right there. That multi-purpose boy. And then I'll open the back up. You see I got that tape on there in the back just so nobody looks in it and all that good stuff. But it's kind of sprinkling right now. But see, this is the back of the truck. We ain't got a bunch of tools in here yet. Nothing like that. We got turbo torches, field piece, Milwaukee vacuum. Got the Milwaukee vacuum. Couple other things. I just cleaned out the truck. Got some R410 recovery in my bucket recovery gauges. Got a couple things here. Got my torches. So this is my truck, but this is how we roll. I'm gonna get something right here on the back. I gotta clean the truck up, but so this top, eventually we're gonna get away from the top, and this truck is just gonna be literally for trash and stuff like that. But inside the truck, it's a little messy. You can't really see inside there too much, but I'm not gonna go through that right now with you. But this is a 2012 GMC Sierra. This is how we getting our start in. Yeah, so this is the truck we're going to be using for a while until we are able to get a trailer, all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm excited about this journey, guys. Hope you're excited with me. It's gonna be a long road, but we're gonna make the best we can of it. All right. Please like, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, hit the bell. That's all I got.